The gaps are just full of moss. Not anymore. Look at that grime line. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Ben from Flawless Cleaning, and today I'm cleaning a resin driveway. Yes, not block paving for a change, resin. It's covered in moss, literally all over. So I'm really looking forward to transforming this one. The fella actually found me from YouTube, which is, yeah, just bizarre. You think he types in how to clean resin driveway, and then I popped up. So then, luckily he was in the same area as me, and yeah, now I'm doing it. So come join me in this transformation, and yeah, see how it goes. The gaps are just full of moss. Not anymore. Look at that grime line. Oh, this is just mad, honestly. Like, you started cleaning and just bam, it is in your face. Like, I'm loving it. The only horror bit of it is sort of rinsing down, but it's so nice to be cleaning something a bit different and unusual. Especially resin, it's like very expensive and everyone sort of gets a bit worried about cleaning it, but once you know how to, it's absolutely fine. Yeah, I do need to get back to it, but I thought I might have asked everyone sort of a question quickly, like, whereabouts are you from? Just drop in the comments. On the sort of YouTube, it shows all different countries, and like, it's bizarre to think that people watch me in other countries. Like, I do, people do message me and say they do, but I don't know, it's just it's a pretty cool feeling. And yeah, I'm gonna need to stop waffling. I've been sitting down too long. Let's go get it. Oh my goodness, I did not think I was getting through that. Honestly, the rinsing down must have been about an hour. Like, to be fair, I did 2 chemical treatments, so I wanted to make sure that I'd got rid of all the chemical. And yeah, did it come up a treat. That grime line was powerful. I'm over the moon. Luckily, the customers coming out, peeping through the window at times, and they was blown away as well. So that made it even that little bit much more rewarding, if that makes sense. But anyway, I'm going to stop waffling. Thanks for watching the video. Can you give it a thumbs up? They're great. And enjoy the family outro now. Cheers. Here, where are we? We're going to see Marco at the meadows. What are you doing, Bubs?
Throwing the bread to the ducks. I like feeding the ducks.
Hold it. Tell Marco it's a swan.
It's a swan. It's a swan.
Wow.
A swan, Marco.
Is it a swan?
Yeah. Wow. I think they're overloaded. But
Huh?
what else do ducks like? They like peas, don't remember? We didn't bring any peas though, did we? Who's that?
Marco.
Marco. Yeah,
Bye-bye.
We feed him on the way back, yeah?
Bye-bye.
hello.
Later.
Are you feeding the ducks?
He's just eating the bread.
Oh, you're eating the bread.
Here, look, I'll show you. Here,
Go on in, throw some
Throw
ducks.
throw it. Throw it.
Throw it.
Throw.
Throw it.
That's it. Throw, like that.
Throw it.
Ready.
Throw it.
Throw. You do it.
Oh, is it nice? Yeah? Cheeky boy. Come then.
They're big.
Pardon?
Big.
Yeah? Is that nice? Arthur, is that nice? His little nod. Oh look, what's up? What's Theo doing? Go on then, go Theo. There he go. Oh my goodness, I pooped my pants.
It's proper bumpy. Hey, wave. What are you doing down there?
You chilling?
Yeah.
About Arthur.
Yeah. Up here.
Yeah.